This is Tim from Cloversoft, and I'll be introducing Quote Magic, our Android tablet app made just for plumbers. Quote Magic's main focus is creating service invoices on the road. It hooks up with PricePoint, our well-known Windows program. Once you've loaded Quote Magic, it contains all of your customers, a full-featured menu pricing system, and your time and materials items, all priced to turn a profit. Our first look at Quote Magic is the Workspace tab. This is where you will build your customer's bill. It shows the customer details at the top, the Workspace job description in the middle, and the Workspace tasks under that. The Workspace total is at the bottom. Let's create a time and materials bill using Quote Magic. First, we need to pick a customer. Tap Customers, pick the name from the list, and tap Use Customer. Tap Menu Pricing and cover the cost of getting to the job by picking your destination fee, arranged by mileage, and tapping Add to Workspace. Tap Workspace. You'll see the destination fee in the Workspace Tasks list, and the job description now includes a thank you message spelling out the charge. Let's build a time and materials bill. Tap Price Book. Price Book contains the item lookup area top left, with the commodities lookup and the commodity readout just under it. Directly below is the section titles list. On the right side is the items list that shows the items contained in the selected section. The best way to start is with shortcut codes. Tap the search box in Item Lookup and type C34T for a copper sweat 3/4 inch T. As you type, the commodity readout shows wrought copper pressure sweat, and the section titles show a list of all the sections that belong in that commodity. More importantly, the app found your shortcut code and has selected it in the items list. Add the item to the bill by finding Add Material to Invoice at top right and tapping the plus button. You'll see a red added indicator flash briefly to confirm. Back in Item Lookup, clear the previous code and type C349 for a copper 3/4 inch 90. In Add Materials, tap the quantity box and tap 2 on your pop-up keyboard, then tap plus. Let's add some copper tubing to the bill. Tap Commodity Lookup and type COP, and a list of commodities that include COP is shown below it. Tap Copper Tubing and tap Copper Water Tube Type M in section titles and tap 3/4 copper water tube in the items list. In Add Material, tap the quantity box and enter 10 on your pop-up keyboard, then tap plus. We'll add a hose bib by tapping Commodity Lookup and typing BIB and tapping Faucets, Fillers, and Bibs in the list, and tapping Hodes, Silcocks, and Hose Bibs in the section titles list. Choose a 3/4 MIP hose faucet from the items list, number 42-182. If you need help finding it, you can tap the item search box at the top of the items list and type just 182 to locate the item and add it to the bill. Let's finish the materials list with a 3/4 brass drop ear female adapter. Back in the commodity lookup, type COP and select wrought copper pressure sweat, tap copper drop ear high set FIP adapter, and tap the 3/4 inch one in the items list. Now tap Add in Add Materials. To see where we are, tap Workspace and look at the Workspace Tasks list. Each materials item has a materials icon at left, but the destination fee has a quote magic icon at left. Scroll the Workspace job description to see what was added so far. Let's add the labor and a job description to finish up. Tap Price Book and look at top right for the Add Labor to Invoice box. Tap the top line and choose Plumber. Tap the Hours box and tap 5 and tap Plus in Add Labor. Then tap top line in Add Labor and choose Helper and add 5 hours. At very top left, tap Job Description Text. Tap in the blank area and type Install hose bib on side of house connected to existing piping. Tap Job Description Text again and return to Workspace to see the completed bill. The Workspace total at bottom right and the job description you typed has been added. At this point, you would want to get the customer's authorization to start by tapping Get Authorization to Start Job. Having customer tap the Agree checkbox and fill in his authorizing signature. Finish by tapping Accept. After work is complete, tap Job is complete and have customer check Satisfactory Completion checkbox. Make signature and tap Agree. The workspace now appears in the Completed Docs tab. Tap Payment to accept payment for the work. You can accept credit card, cash, or check. For credit card, type the last 4 digits on the card and click Save to record payment. Thanks for watching our video on Quote Magic. Here's a wrap-up of what was covered in this video. We picked a customer, then we tapped Menu Pricing and added a destination fee. Found materials items with shortcut codes and with a commodity lookup. We added labor to the bill. We saw how tasks are shown in the workspace. We added a job description to the bill, captured the customer's authorization and satisfactory completion signatures. We accepted payment for the bill in the Completed Documents tab.